Welcome to Gibsonville, y'all. This is a designer showcase waiting for you to enter. And you can sit here and relax on the front porch and wave at the passersby. As we say in North Carolina, welcome in. Beautiful electric fireplace insert placed in the original mantle. This floor plan is supersized inside, and is amazing how much you have in this home. Down that hallway is a half bath and a bedroom, and you can create a shower stall in that half bath real easy. Check out the documents and ask your broker for that information, as we have a price quote in the documents if you'd like to add that. This is the kitchen. We've got this super cool table. We're going to go ahead and pull it out and show it to you in full size. Everything has been touched in this house, pretty much, almost all. And we have beautiful butcher block countertops and new stainless steel appliances, space for your fridge. And we are all about built-ins. That is what we're talking about here. So when we open this door, look how cool that is. Have you ever seen a folding barn door? That's the back stoop. We'll go out there in a moment. And then, check this out. Add 2 orange stools. Get a 5-top. Look at this cool table. It's retractable, kind of like an accordion. Wow, check it out. You've got a 7-top. That's your lucky number. Icing on the cake with the trees back. Check out all the cute little orange seats and these stools. These chairs. And you've got a 7-top. There's actually another leaf if you want to supersize it even more. And then it goes really, really small. And we'll show you that in a minute. Check it out, y'all. So it is a single top table for dining. And also, you could use it as an additional desk. So cool, y'all. Don't you love this house? So we all remember the table dance. There it is for the single top. Put a couple extra chairs in the living room. If you have a big party, 2 more seats can sit. Then this is the hallway into the primary suite. Here on the left, this is the hot water heater. It's new. And then we have these really cool soft closed drawers. Oops, let me do that again. Some really cool soft closed drawers. Both of those, they're built in. The bathroom is right here. Isn't that gorgeous? Check out these finishes. Look at that shimmer on the tile all the way to the ceiling. We have crown molding, natural wood color. Beautiful window for light. We have a Kohler toilet. Check out this beautiful vanity, mirror, light, and we have an LED flush. All of the whistles and bells, like I said, designer showcase. This is a light. We got to get some batteries for that, and it'll light it up. And then this is the primary suite. It's so beautiful. Look at your retreat in Gibsonville. That's the closet on the left. And we have some drawers as part of this closet package, shelving and bars. And then this is the laundry room. And we have a cabinet here on the wall, and the washer dryer goes there. Behind the door, there is another cabinet. Then when we pivot, well, there's the mirror. You can do your fit check there. And guess what we've got? Another built-in with shelving. That is so beautiful. That is the shelving that you can pull out for maintaining the systems, which is the furnace. And then this is your cloffice. So I call it a closet office cloffice. This cloffice also could be your shower stall in the half bath on the front of the house. And we'll show you that in a moment. Bye-bye, beautiful primary. We orient you, the kitchen's to the right. We're in the living room now. And this is the front hallway. Check out the gorgeous ceiling. Isn't that amazing? The beautiful color. See why we call it a designer showcase. And then we have the half bath. This wall here to the left of the commode is where you put the shower stall. Check the docs in the listing. Ask your agent for the documents, and there's a price put in there. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at these gorgeous refinished original wood floors. And then we have plenty of room for another piece of furniture here in the hall. And then this is the second bedroom. Beautiful. Wow. Can you believe this? So bright, full of light. And then here is the closet. This is the original closet to the house. There you go. Awesome. Good size for an older house. And there you have it inside. Woohoo! There's the living room. Here we go, y'all. Walking around outside. Here's the kitchen door. The kitchen door has this really nice side deck. Wow, so beautiful. We have a metal roof on this house. Very period, very cool. It's awesome. Love it. This is along the back. Right there, that is the part that was the porch that was enclosed for the laundry room and the closet in the primary. There's the HVAC. The shed does stay. And then we're just gonna go ahead and pivot around. And here's the side of the house. There we go. Back up to the front. And I'm ready to sit down on the front porch and relax. How about you? Come on by and see us.